Most people do cold outreach the wrong way. They blast the same template to everyone, with zero idea about the business, what they do, or what they sell. In this video, I'll show you a simple N8N workflow that fixes all of that. It visits each prospect's website, reads the content, and creates a clean business summary, so your outreach actually feels personal and stands out in a crowded inbox, which can easily double your reply rate. Let me show you a quick demo. Here, I have a Google Sheet with 3 website links. Let's execute the workflow. It pulls the details from the Google Sheet, processes websites one by one, fetches the website content, and then creates the business summary using AI. We can use this business summary to create a personalized cold outreach message using this workflow as well. Now I'll show you the step-by-step process to create this workflow from scratch. So let's get started. Go to your N8N dashboard and create a new workflow. First, let's add a manual trigger. Just select the Trigger Manually node. Next, we have to pull the website link. For that, we are using a Google Sheet. Here, I have the client name, email ID, company name, and website link. Once it fetches the content from the website and creates the business summary, we can simply update it in this business summary column. And using this summary, we can create a highly personalized outreach message. Okay, now go back to the dashboard. Click on the plus icon and search for Google Sheet. Select it and set the action as Get Rows in Sheet. Select the document. I named it Lead List. Then select Sheet 1. Let's execute the step. It's done. And we got 3 items here. Back to the canvas. Now let's add a loop node to process the websites one by one. Set the batch size to 1. Then execute the step, and in the loop branch, we got the first item. Perfect. Back to the canvas. Let's delete these for now. Next, we have to scrape the website content. For that, we are using a platform called BrowserAct.com. This is an AI web scraper that can scrape almost any website with powerful features to bypass CAPTCHAs and bot detection. You also get 500 credits every day, which is enough to scrape around 25 to 30 websites. Just create an account and jump into the dashboard. At the bottom here, we can claim the daily free credits. Now click on Template Marketplace. Here, we can see different templates for multiple use cases. And this is the one we are going to use, Website Data Scraper. Click on Create from Template. Just close this. Let me give you a quick outline. It starts with the website link, where we have to put the website link. Then it visits the website and extracts the data. Let's change this to extract the text from that page, close any pop-ups or windows. Then, it outputs the data as JSON. Let's do a live manual test. I'll enter my website link here, click Start, and on the right side we can see the live browser actions. It visited the website, scraped the content, and returned it in JSON format. Here, we can see the website content. Perfect. Now, from our N8N workflow, we can make an API call with the website link, and BrowserAct will fetch the content and return it back. Just publish the workflow. Now, we're ready to integrate this. Go back to the N8N dashboard. From the loop node, search BrowserAct and select it. It's a community node, so first we have to install it. Done. Set the action as Run a Workflow. First, we have to connect our account. For that, go back to the BrowserAct dashboard, tap on Integration and API. Then click on API keys. Click Create New API Key. Then just copy it and confirm. Now, back to the dashboard, simply paste it here. Click Save. And our account has been connected successfully. Close this. Here, select My Workflows and then select the recently created workflow. Now, in the Field to Match on column, select Website Link. And in the Website Link column, just drag and drop the website string like this. Let's execute the step. This will take some time, because it has to visit the website and fetch the content like a live browser to avoid bot detection and bypass CAPTCHAs. It's done. The website content is inside this output string. First, we have to clean this because sometimes it will include some weird links or other unwanted text. So let's add a code node. Select the action as Code in JavaScript and paste the script which I'll provide in a blog post. You can find the link in the video description. Let's execute the step and it's done. Now, let's pass this cleaned content to AI to create a business summary. just tap on the plus icon, search AI agent and select it. Change the source for the prompt to define below. Then, just drag and drop the clean text string like this. Now click on Add option, select System Message, and here let's paste the system instruction. I'll include this in the blog post. Now let's add a chat model. You can choose any model from this list. I am using Google Gemini. Back to the AI agent. We need a specific output format, so just enable this option. At the bottom, click on the plus icon and select Structured Output Parser. Here, delete everything and add summary:summary. Now let's execute the step, and it's done. Here is the business summary. Back to the canvas. Now let's add a Google Sheet node to update the summary on the sheet as well. Set the action as Update Raw in Sheet and select the same document and the same sheet. Set the column to match on as row number, and here, from the loop node, just drag and drop the row number string like this. Then delete all of this and keep only business summary. In this column, from the AI agent, just drag and drop the summary string. Let's execute the step, and it's done. Let's check the Google Sheet, and here we go, it updated the business summary. Back to the canvas. Now from the Google Sheet node, simply loop it like this, so it will process all the websites one by one. Now it's time for the final test. Let's execute the workflow. It's processing now and will take some time. It's done. It has processed all the website links. Let's check the Google Sheet, and here we go. We can see all the business summaries here. And now, if you're wondering how you can use this business summary to create a highly personalized cold outreach, we recently created a video on a personalized cold email AI agent. If you haven't watched that yet, please watch it. I'll give the link in the video description. So this is the workflow, and here we can use the same Google Sheet with the business summary. Let me just execute this node, and here we got the first item, including the business summary. Now, in the AI agent user message, we can add all those details, and in the system message, we can add information about our service and then give instructions to make it highly personalized by using the business summary. Let's execute the step, and here we go, we got the output. First, it gives a short mention about their business. Then it pitches our service. And you can customize this output even more by adding additional instructions in the system message. And this can even send the email to the client. Let me just execute it. Done. It sent the email. And here it is in my inbox. So this is a powerful system. Watch that video too, so you will understand it crystal clear. I'll give the link to the BrowserAct platform in the video description. It has many amazing templates and use cases, so do check it out. I'll also add this workflow JSON file and all the resources in a blog post, link in the description. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, feel free to let me know in the comments. We will be uploading more AI and automation videos in the upcoming days, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.